Hello again folks, Desi here from Howden Tools. Just going to give you a bit of a walk around on this King Tony 42-inch tool chest. 42-inch tool chest. Top lid is on gas struts. Nice feature. Very strong, robust machine. Well folded, well put together box, you know. This is King Tony brand. Full range of this King Tony equipment, hand tools, power or socket sets, spanners, tool kits and tool chests on our website. This particular one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drawers. Good decent drawers, very strong, very robust. And then you've got your smaller drawers here then as well too, for your smaller tools, smaller bits and pieces. There's a nice size drawer there. Nice size drawer there. You can put some of your cordless tools into some drawer like that. Obviously fully lockable. 2 side handles. Very strong system here for moving it around. It's obviously going to be a heavy box and it's going to be heavy when it's with tools in it. But it's you've got your 2 handles there on each side to lift it around. So that's it. 42-inch King Tony top box. That's it. Obviously, as you can see here, there's various configurations of bottom chests and stuff can be added to it. But there you go. The King Tony 42-inch top box. Click on howdentools.com or give a member of our sales team a call. Next day delivery, you call before 5 o'clock, you have it tomorrow. Thanks for watching folks.